It was an honor to be working with famous star. Yeah, she's really kind and sweet, and even she's young, younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video.
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means that we are friends.
Right.
Yeah, so it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they're always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even it's hard, they always try to like communicate with me. So I was really thankful to everyone. Yes.